मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ मिस्टर बलजीत सिंह जी का, वो माइनॉरिटीज़ कमीशन के मेंबर रह चुके, अब कन्वीनर ऑल इंडिया माइनॉरिटीज़ कमीशन के, उनका भी शुक्रगुजार हूँ। और हमारे बुद्धिस्ट स्कॉलर हमारे सिलोन साहब, आपका भी शुक्रगुजार। आप इनफैक्ट आई टोल्ड हिम टू कम एट 6 बट ही वाज हियर एट 5:30। बुद्धिस्ट स्कॉलर आए हैं, उनका भी शुक्रगुजार हूँ। और आप लोगों का जो भी यहाँ पे आशीर्वाद करना है, तो इंशाल्लाह अब हम फॉर्मल फंक्शन की तरफ जाएंगे। रोज़ा टूट चुका है, नमाज पढ़ने वाले पढ़े, हम भी नमाज पढ़ेंगे इंशाल्लाह। और साथ में
I welcome Venerable Mr. Tenzin Celon, eminent Buddhist priest, who has also been a part of our family.
Now, today I am very happy that all of us, when I talk with them, and also some of you who were sitting there, so they were discussing about His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Recently, especially the Indian media, they have shown a 5-second of a video clip, and they have made an accusation His Holiness the Dalai Lama as a child abuse. So this video clip, actually, when these people investigated, they came to know, no, it is the Chinese propaganda. It is a Chinese source. So this Chinese source, now Indian media are using this, and they are defaming His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And without knowing, they haven't investigated the full video, and they have never tried to understand the other people's culture. And I wanted to say, in every schools, every institution, every university, we are talking about the culture diversities. We have our own culture. So our culture does not suit with you. And our culture, especially in this modern time, does not suit with the Western style. Then it becomes a child abuse. Then it becomes a targeted. So if we need a really culture diversities, then we need to respect to the all kind of cultures. This is I wanted to share. And as a Dalai Lama follower, not only me today, you can find out in the social media, from Ladakh to the Arunachal Pradesh, everyone is so hurt. Over the last few days, one week, it's been a dark day for us. I'm very, very, disturbed today, because we feel on this planet, on this earth, except the Tibetan, we feel that this country, India, and the people of India knows the Dalai Lama best. And people of India know the Dalai Lama, and people of India know the Tibetan and Tibetan culture. We feel like that. But whatever it is, if you have any question regarding this issue, after this event, I will be here, then you can talk to me. Okay, and I'm very, very happy that all of you today, you stand with His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Everybody is supporting to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I feel little bit happy here. Come. Okay, thank you so much. Please say again, Jai Dalai Lama. Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I will